Good afternoon, teacher and friend. My name is Janet Seron. I am food engineer student. I live in the city of Popayán. I am 48 old years. I am married and I have 2 children. I am very happy to share this academic space with you. I am part of Group 52. In the month of May, I traveled to Rio Sucio Caldas to participate in a world meeting, and we decided to stay for the weekend. Sometimes we do this. After the meeting, we traveled to Santa Rosa de Cabal and enjoyed the medical tours. The days was hot, very nice. At night we enjoyed a small and comfortable cabin. Then we visited Salento Quindío, a very colorful and wise, beautiful town in the coffee region, where we looked at thousands of hundreds, maybe big persons in the region. I bought some souvenirs for my family. Finally, we returned. I really enjoyed this trip. Thank you.